If you're a man and you don't wake up ready anymore, we need to talk. Caveman standing at edge of your bed, looking down. Silence. Stone soft. Pause. Tribe worried. You say, it's just stress. Caveman squint. No, it is lifestyle. Let's start with biggest killer. You are overstimulated. You see more bodies in 1 week than your ancestors saw in 10 years. Endless scrolling, endless novelty, endless dopamine, brain flooded, again, again, again. Caveman look at glowing phone. You hunt pixels now? You very brave. Your brain adapts, baseline rises, real life feels less exciting, real attraction feels normal, not because broken, because overloaded. You trained your brain to expect fireworks. Now candlelight feels boring. Next problem, sleep. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep, especially early morning. That's why healthy men wake up ready. If that disappears, hormones dropping. You sleep 5 hours, scroll at midnight, blue light in face, melatonin suppressed, deep sleep reduced, testosterone drops. You say, I just low libido. Caveman shake head. You low sleep. Now belly. You say, it's just small weight. Caveman pokes stomach. Small chemical factory. Fat contains aromatase. It converts testosterone into estrogen. More belly. More conversion. Less testosterone. Less testosterone. Less drive. And low testosterone makes fat gain easier. Cycle, begin. You not lazy. You hormonally distracted. Now stress. In jungle, stress short. Tiger appear. Run. Done. You, notifications. Deadlines. Comparison. 24/7. Chronic cortisol suppresses testosterone. Body prioritizes survival, not reproduction. If nervous system always tense, libido disappears every time. And here's the part you won't like. Sex drive linked to power. Movement increases testosterone. Competition increases testosterone. Winning increases testosterone. But you don't compete. You consume. You watch other men succeed. Brain registers you as spectator. Spectators don't need high drive. Hunters do. Builders do. Leaders do. Caveman look at you carefully. You sit like prey, but want hunter energy. So what fix it? Reduce artificial dopamine. Yes, that includes porn. Let brain reset. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. No screen before bed. Lift heavy 3 to 4 times per week. Compound movements. Lower body fat. Sunlight daily. Lower chronic stress. Stop flooding system with fake reward. Let it earn again. And understand this. You don't randomly lose sex drive. You build habits that suppress it. Libido is not mystery. It is mirror. It reflects your lifestyle. Caveman step closer. If drive gone, check habits. Not age, not genetics. Habits. Now here's truth. Most men will watch this. Nod. Feel slightly attacked? Then scroll. Caveman smirk. If you stay, maybe tribe has hope. If you want content that makes you uncomfortable, but stronger, subscribe. We don't chase motivation here. We build discipline. Caveman, walk toward sunlight. Turn once. Stone, strong. Life, strong. Stone, weak. Check life. Choose wisely.